Hello, and thank you for completing our Power Platform admin course. Hope you found the content useful. Please do give us some feedback. Always love feedback. Let us know how you found it. Just a few more resources before I let you go. First of all, this site here, Power Platform guidance documentation. This has got some really great best practices in terms of implementing and setting up a best practices Centre of Excellence kit, automation best practices, real world examples of setting things up and using things. Really good way of researching and learning more about admin functions in Power Platform. I think the important thing is that Power Platform's got a whole heap of options available to configure it. It's important to get the policy right for your organization first, and then add that to Power Platform. Some other good resources, I mentioned this in this Centre of Excellence, the PowerCat team. So Power Platform, I think PowerCat has their own channel. Here's a playlist for the thing, but then there's their own Microsoft PowerCat. So they have their own team, PowerCat Live. Highly recommend going to this channel and checking out what videos they've got. Where's their channel? Full playlist, here you go. So here's all the different stuff they've got, really good stuff. Highly recommend looking at those as well. Probably filter those to like ones in the last 12 months because the platform changes so much, but they do release content pretty regularly. Last one was a few weeks ago. So that's another resource useful. And then the final thing is we've got our own resources up on support.futureability.io. That's one level of resources that you can go and look at. Fairly bare at the moment, but we are adding content to this all the time. About to go through a massive blitz of adding content over the next few weeks. So from if you're watching this after February 2022, then there'll be a lot more resources on here. And then there's also in our academy, we've got a whole heap of courses, and there's always this support button here to get in touch with us and to see the answers there, the options. As we're building out content, there'll be more answers on there as well. That's it. That's all I have. The last thing I want to do is just say thank you so much for sticking with the content. Thank you for subscribing to us and subscribing to our academy and for doing this course. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and goodbye.